2025 Cass County Fair. Everything you need to know. Get ready for 6 days of non-stop fun, laughter and unforgettable memories at the 2025 Cass County Fair. Kicking off on Tuesday, July 15th and running through Sunday, July 20th, this annual event promises a whirlwind of exhibits, competitions, live music and mouth-watering local food. But here's where it gets controversial. How do you even begin to choose which events to prioritize? Let's break it down, starting with the basics. The fairgrounds in Pleasant Hill, 308W Commercial Street, will be the main hub, but some activities will spill into downtown Pleasant Hill and near City Hall. A free shuttle service will zip you between locations during busy times, and free parking is available across the street from the fairgrounds and near the farmers market downtown. Now, let's dive into the highlights. The Carnival, a rides and treats powerhouse. The Carnival will be in full swing from 6 to 11 p.m. Tuesday through Friday and 5 to 11 p.m. on Saturday. But here's the catch. Should you go all out with a $28 unlimited ride wristband, or budget carefully with $1 tickets up to 20, 40 tickets for $37 or 80 tickets for $70? Spoiler, the wristband might save you money if you're a thrill seeker. Check the full ride list and ticket requirements online to plan your strategy. The Parade, a Saturday morning spectacle. The fair's iconic parade will roll through town at 9 a.m. on Saturday, starting at Rooster Way and Broadway Street. The route snakes west on Broadway, crosses Missouri Highway 7, and weaves through downtown via Independence Street, Cedar Street, Veterans Parkway, and Paul Street. Pro tip, arrive early for the best viewing spots. The rodeo, heart-pounding action with a side of fireworks. Buckle up for the MRCA-sanctioned rodeo at 8 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. Gates open at 5 p.m. and kids can try mutton busting, a wild ride for the little ones, starting at 6 p.m. The Saturday night show wraps up with fireworks, a family-friendly finale that's pure magic. Admission is $15 for adults, $5 for kids 5 to 11, and free for under 4s. Livestock shows, celebrating young talent. Local kids will shine in cattle, goat and poultry competitions, showcasing months of hard work. These shows started last Sunday and continue through this one. Ever seen a kid compete with a 500-pound steer? It's equal parts impressive and heartwarming. Motorsports, from dirt tracks to demolition derbies. Speed lovers, this one's for you. Motocross kicks things off at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, followed by ATV racing at 8 p.m. on Wednesday. Then it's full-on chaos on Thursday night with a demolition derby including lawnmower battles. Wrap it up with the MSTPA truck and tractor pull at 7 p.m. on Sunday. Admission prices mirror the rodeo. $15 for adults, $5 for kids 5 to 11, and free for under 4s. Exhibits, a showcase of creativity. From art and photography to quilting and home economics, the fairgrounds and downtown will be buzzing with vendors and displays. Special Friday and Saturday shows highlight local talent in horticulture and more. Live music. 3 days of rhythm and vibes. Don't miss the live music lineup at the Miller Pavilion and Downtown Gazebo. Thursday, 8 to 11:30 p.m., Tyse Buck at the Miller Pavilion. Friday, 6:30, 8:30 p.m., Gospel by the Reunion Gospel Band downtown. Friday, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m., the Feuding Hillbillies at the Miller Pavilion. Saturday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., a variety show with Chauffeur Strang, Sweetwater Band, and Misty River downtown. Saturday, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m., the M80s, a top 80s cover band at the Miller Pavilion. Now, here's the part most people miss. The fair isn't just about the big name events. It's the little moments. The smell of funnel cake, the thrill of a carnival ride, the pride in a kid's livestock show that make it unforgettable. But should the fair expand its hours or keep it short and sweet? Should ticket pricing be more flexible for families? We want to hear your take. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a conversation. After all, isn't that what community events are all about? Cass County Fair 2025's fun, competitions and entertainment in Cassopolis. This is the summer event that divides Cass County families. Do you prioritize carnival thrills or agricultural traditions? The Cass County Fairgrounds erupts into a 7-day spectacle starting July 27th, blending small-town charm with enough adrenaline to fuel debates about what truly makes a community fair. But here's the twist. Beneath the funnel cakes and Ferris wheels lies a heated undercurrent about whether the modern attractions overshadow the fair's agricultural roots. From Sunday, July 27th through Saturday, August 2nd, Cassopolis transforms into a hive of activity as locals finalize preparations for this year's fair. The schedule overflows with 4-H competitions where kids showcase everything from prize-winning rabbits to robotics projects, heart-pounding grandstand events, and a carnival promising dizzying rides. Gates swing open at 5 p.m. on opening day with a parade and ceremony at the grandstands, but arrive early because parking wars are real. Admission costs $9 daily for adults, $3 for kids aged 6 to 12, and $0 for toddlers. Pro tip, buy grandstand tickets before July 27th to save $5. Budget-conscious visitors, take note. Sunday offers free gate entry, while veterans, July 28th, and seniors, July 31st, and frontline workers, August 1st, get discounted or free access. Concessions and exhibits operate 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, serving everything from deep-fried novelties to blue ribbon quilts. Controversy alert. While the 27th annual royalty contest, July 26th, celebrates community spirit, critics argue pageants feel outdated. Supporters counter that it's about scholarship opportunities and public speaking skills. What's your take? The daily lineup sparked its own debates. July 28th, TNT Derby, 7 p.m, pits modified trucks against dirt mounds, drawing cheers from gearheads and eye rolls from noise complainants. August 1st, Mud Mitten Race Series promise was messy engine revving chaos. But is this family friendly or just muddy? Senior Day, July 31st, features a Bob Seger tribute band, while Family $1 Day, August 2nd, offers budget-friendly afternoon access. Agricultural purists applaud events like the Youth Market Livestock Auction, July 31st, where future farmers sell animals they've raised. Yet Carnival lovers argue the Midway's flashing lights and $5 lemonades keep the fair financially viable. Here's what most visitors miss. The 4-H Still Exhibit Auction, July 27th, 2:30 p.m, reveals shockingly competitive bidding for handmade crafts. Meanwhile, the Draft Horse Pulling Contest, July 28th, showcases equine strength rarely seen outside history books. Final food for thought. When fireworks light the sky on August 1st, ask yourself, does this mix of tractor pulls, goat costume contests, and tribute bands truly represent Cass County's identity, or has the fair become a nostalgia-fueled grab bag trying to please everyone? Full schedule and tickets, mycasscountyfair.com. Now sound off below. Should county fairs prioritize preserving traditions or evolving with the times? And will we see you at the semi-tractor pull or the quilt raffle?